Today we're gonna be making some fish the way I like to make them. I have a favorite way. I'm sure everybody has a way they like to make fish. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit how I make my fish. So I got my ingredients all set up. So half of the work is to find your ingredients. The catching the fish is the best part, I would say, and the cleaning is the least fun. But once you have them all cleaned, it's a lot of fun. I just want to show you how and kind of how I caught these, and it was a lot of fun. So here I got my fish all cleaned. I probably won't eat all of these. Tilapia, a couple other tilapia, mostly tilapia. So I got a simple setup here. Got my pan. I got the oven on medium already. Got my plate. My other plate. This is my mixing plate. So first thing I do is I grab some butter. I got some salted butter, Land O'Lakes. Just kind of show you my ingredients here. It's just the cheese I'm going to be using. I like a little bit of cheese on there. Egg. Honey mustard, or I guess it's yellow mustard. There's just any kind of seasonings you like. I like dill, a little bit of dill, and just a blend of seasonings you like, paprika in there. Then I got some olive oil, mayo. I like crackers. I'm a cracker fan. Usually little seasoned crackers. I got sequel bread. Usually make 2 pieces of that. First thing I do, I just get a little bit of butter and a little piece of butter. So I'm videoing with one hand. This is going to be a one-hand cook thing here. So I throw my butter in there, just going. Grab 2 pieces of this Ezekiel bread here. Usually I have about 2 pieces. It's just enough to good meal. Throw it in there. So what I'm doing here is toasting the bread first. I like it toasted. My pan isn't big enough for 2 pieces, so I usually cut 1 piece in half. So while that thing is toasting, I also have my oven. Right here is my oven. I got it baked on just on warm. So I throw this plate in there. A flat plate, my finished plate, throw it in here. Let's just turn that light on here. There we go. Oh, I think the light needs some attention. Okay, so I got my 2 pieces of Ezekiel bread. So I'm just gonna do, I gotta get this thing on my head here. Alright, so give it one egg, throw it in there. I usually just do this with a fork. I'm all about saving, not making as many dishes. Whip that up pretty good. So basically all I do once I have it whipped up, add a little bit of dill and a little bit of this licking chicken seasoning. You can use any kind of seasoning you like. I like something with little pepper and paprika in it. So the dill, I just like the flavor of dill. It's kind of like having pickles on your fish sandwich. throw that in there. So now my toast is getting, you know, nice and toasted here. Get a little brown. I like that because it makes you warm, and then you have your, you know, put your mayo and stuff on there. So while that is almost done, I'm still getting my fish ready. So I just throw in enough for about 2 sandwiches. It looks like I'm gonna have another meal here. So about that amount. Just stir it up a little bit in there. It's real simple. You just grab some of these crackers. You can use whatever you like. This is just the way I like to do it, and I'm gonna be eating this myself. I just use my bare hands. So basically, you just throw it all in there and stir it around a little bit. Got the crackers in there, give it a little crunch. So my toast is ready, I think. Grab my plate, it's nice and warm. The trick to keeping your food good is to keep everything warm. That makes the best food. So now, while I have that still, yep, I'll get this camera set up here. So I just grabbed some mayo, throw it on there. Maybe I'll have some little bit of mustard too. That's always good on a fish sandwich. Just stir it around a bit, get it even out. There we got the mustard and the mayo on the sandwich. So what I do, I throw that back in the oven, keep it warm. It's the best if you keep it warm. Everything. So now I have a little bit of butter. I might do just a touch of avocado oil and the butter. Keep this, keep it all nice and, you know, keep the butter gives it flavor, and the olive oil gives it a little more, keeps it a little more from sticking to the pan. So it's ready for my fish. Literally, I will take this whole thing and pour the whole thing in there. That makes a good sandwich. Gotta do this kind of one-handed here on my camera. So yeah, you just put the whole thing in there. And just stir it around. Try to get these fish to be flat in your pan. So it's going to be like, you're going to have eggs and fish and crackers. And also when I go to clean my fish, when I'm done cleaning them, I will rinse them really good. And I'll clean them, literally put ice cubes in the tray, and while I'm cleaning, they go like off the ice, clean, right into ice again. I think that's very important to keep your fish super cold. And also when I put it in the fridge, after I have them nice and clean, I'll put a little bit of salt on top and just have ice all over it, and I'll just set it in the fridge. So you don't need a lot of seasoning salt on your fish after you're done. So I will just take this and throw it, flip it, basically. So now I have eggs and my breading, everything all on one. This doesn't take very long. I got my stove on medium. So basically just like a little bit on each side. I just have a lot of fun catching those guys out there on the lake. But it's they're very good to eat also. So I get this out of my oven. Yeah, half of the fun is finding all the ingredients in the kitchen if you're not used to being around the kitchen too much. So after, I think they're done already. It doesn't take very long for these little fish. So I will just throw this on there, and I eat this with a fork. I'll just literally take a fork, and because it's a lot of pieces for bread. So I got a big meal right there. It's all ready. So this is my drink that I like to drink with my meals. A little energy. So now I'm just ready for a little bit of cheese. See if I can do this one-handed. Alright, I got my cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on there. Make it look and taste really good. I really like cheese. It's probably my biggest weakness. So yeah, so there you have it. It's all ready to chow down. So hopefully you like this idea or recipe, and it's going to be good. These fish are just tilapias. Freshwater is just one of my favorite fish. Walleye and tilapia both. So hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you like my channel, and hopefully we'll see you soon.